Have you ever found yourself signing up for a financial product, maybe a credit building service, with the best of intentions, only to realize later that you have no idea where to find the detailed terms and conditions you agreed to? It's a common scenario, right? We're often so focused on the immediate benefit, in this case, improving our credit score, that the fine print can become an afterthought. But what happens when you have a question about your account, a specific charge, or perhaps you just want to review the full scope of your obligations and rights? Where exactly do you turn? Today, we're diving deep into a question that many Borrowell Credit Builder users might eventually ask: where can I find my Borrowell Credit Builder agreement? It's a crucial piece of documentation that outlines everything from your payment schedule and the program's terms, to what happens if you miss a payment or decide to cancel. Let's set the scene. You've heard about Borrowell's Credit Builder program, perhaps through an ad, a friend's recommendation, or even from browse their website. You understand its core purpose: to help you build or improve your credit score by making consistent, on-time payments, which are then reported to a credit bureau like Equifax. This sounds fantastic, especially if you're new to credit or working to bounce back from past financial challenges. You go through the sign-up process, perhaps on their user-friendly app or website. But then, a few months down the line, a question pops up. Maybe you're considering applying for a larger loan and want to understand how the Credit Builder loan is being reported on your credit file. Or perhaps you're thinking about moving and need to know about any cancellation policies. It could even be something as simple as wanting to confirm the exact monthly payment amount or the duration of the program. Suddenly, that initial eagerness to sign up is replaced by a slight panic. Don't worry, you're not alone, and the good news is that finding your Borrowell Credit Builder agreement isn't like searching for a needle in a haystack. It's generally accessible, but knowing where to look and what to look for is key. The first, and most important, place to start your search is usually directly within your Borrowell account. When you signed up, you created an account with your unique login credentials. This account serves as your personal dashboard for all things Borrowell, including your credit score, personalized insights, and details about any products you're using. So, how do you navigate to it? Step 1. Log into your Borrowell account. This might seem obvious, but it's the gateway. Whether you use the Borrowell mobile app or access their website through a browser, ensure you're logging into your personal account. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 2. Explore your dashboard or account settings. Once logged in, take a moment to look around. Financial platforms like Borrowell are designed to be intuitive, but sometimes the specific location of documents can be tucked away under less obvious headings. Look for sections like My Products or My Services. This is a very strong contender. If you're enrolled in Credit Builder, it's considered a product or service. Clicking on this should lead you to a page detailing your active Borrowell offerings. Credit Builder. Directly, if you see a direct link or section specifically labeled Credit Builder, that's an even better sign. This section will likely contain all information pertinent to your Credit Builder plan. Documents, agreements, or legal. These sections are designed for precisely this purpose, housing important contractual documents. While legal might sound intimidating, it's often where you'll find the general terms of use, and sometimes product-specific agreements are linked from there. Account settings or your profile. Sometimes, documents related to your account are linked from your overall settings or profile page. This is less common for product-specific agreements, but worth a quick check if other options don't pan out. Step 3. Look for specific links related to your Credit Builder program. Once you've navigated to the My Products or Credit Builder section, you're looking for something that explicitly states agreement, terms and conditions, contract, or details. It might be a small link, perhaps at the bottom of a summary box, or prominently displayed as a downloadable PDF. For the Borrowell Credit Builder, specifically, it's crucial to remember that it's often originated by Refresh Solutions Incorporated, which is owned by Borrowell. This means the agreement might sometimes be referred to as the Borrowell Credit Builder Agreement or might have a subtle mention of Refresh Financial within the document itself. Don't be thrown off if you see that association. The Borrowell Credit Builder program terms and conditions are the comprehensive document you're looking for. This document will outline everything you need to know about how the program works, your obligations, and the service's details. What if I can't find it in my account? While your online account is the primary location, there are other avenues to explore if you're having trouble. Option 1. Check your email. Think back to when you first signed up. Most online services, especially financial ones, send out confirmation emails that include links to the terms and conditions or attach the agreement directly as a PDF. Search your inbox and spam/junk folders for emails from Borrowell, Refresh Financial, or related terms. Key search phrases could include Credit Builder Agreement, Terms and Conditions, Welcome, or Confirmation. Option 2. Visit the Borrowell website's Legal or Help Center sections. Even if you're already logged in, the general website often has publicly accessible legal documents. Borrowell's legal page. Borrowell has a dedicated legal section on their website. Here, you'll find various terms, including their general terms of use, privacy policy, and importantly, the Credit Builder program terms and conditions. This is a generic version of the agreement, but it will cover the overarching rules and conditions that apply to all participants. While it won't be specific to your personal account details, like your exact payment schedule, it will lay out the framework of the agreement. You can typically find a link to the legal section in the footer of the Borrowell website. Borrowell's Help Center or FAQ. The Help Center is a treasure trove of information. Use the search bar within the Help Center and type in Credit Builder Agreement or Terms and Conditions. You might find articles that directly link to the agreement or provide instructions on how to access it within your account. They have specific sections for Credit Builder help, which are excellent resources. In summary, finding your Borrowell Credit Builder Agreement is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Start with your Borrowell online account, explore the My Products or Credit Builders sections, and keep an eye out for terms and conditions or agreement links. If you're still having trouble, your email inbox and the Borrowell Help Center are excellent secondary resources. And as a last resort, don't hesitate to reach out to Borrowell's dedicated customer support team. Being proactive about understanding your financial agreements is a cornerstone of responsible financial management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.